can I retrofit from a non-flammable A1 refrigerant to a flammable A2L or A3 refrigerant? Please do not retrofit from a non-flammable A1 to a flammable A2L or A3 refrigerant. That should not be done. The reason is that nobody had flammability in mind when the system was designed. And it's very probable that many components are not approved for the flammable refrigerant. One example, what could happen is the location of electric equipment. If you build a flammable system or a system for flammable refrigerants, then the location of any electrical component needs to be chosen in a way that it complies to regulations. That is probably not the case for a system that was built for a non-flammable refrigerant because it was not necessary at that time. Fans might not be approved or might not be okay for a flammable refrigerant either. So in total, if you retrofit from a non-flammable refrigerant, please use another non-flammable refrigerant for that system. Do not use flammable refrigerants.